Good day, everyone. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about set mathematical operation in Python programming. How to use Python programming to manipulate set operation. It's very easy and everyone can do it. You know that set is the creation of a unique element. That means the elements of a set are unique because they are not allowed to multiply to duplicate itself. So we call them unique. So set is the creation of a mutable unique element. That's what the definition of a set. I'll talk about today we're going to talk about the basic mathematical operation of set or set mathematical operation. Talking about the union, intersection, difference of set, superset, subset as the case may be. We let's define our set A with the usual definition of set. Use call braces to define sets. Okay, let's say the set A, the set of odd number from 1 to 15. 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, then 15. Okay, but I said B is equals to even number from 1 to 16. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16, as the case may be. Why set C, we have, okay, let's say perfect square from 1 to 20, perfect square for 1 to 20, perfect square for 1 to 20, you have 2, okay, 2 is a perfect square. Detail none. Now let's get started from 1 is a perfect square, 4, 9, after 9 we have 16, after 16, what we have again, we have 25. 25, okay. 1 to 25, the case may be. Now, I want to do some simple union of a set. So, what do we do? Define our union of a set. Union underscore set is equals to, want to find the union of A and B. So, we have a dot union of set B. It's calculator because we develop build calculator. Then we say print the union of a set union underscore set. So let's say our answer. So the answer gave us for 1 to 16 because that is the union between the set A and B. What about if we want to print all the union of the sets? So how do we do it? It's very straightforward. It's the same thing. Or union underscore. Okay, union of the three sets. So we have to type the union underscore the three set. Okay. So how we do this equals to, okay, set A and use the union of set B and C. So what we operate to display the union of the three sets. So let's bring it to the union of the three sets that we have created. Print union underscore three. I see what our answer will be. Should enter. Okay, is the union of the three sets. Set for 1 to 25. The union between A and B will end at 16. When we find the union of the three set, you end at 25. The reason that there's an element in C which 25 that is not found in any of them. So that's it. So let's go to intersection. Intersection is, according to the definition of intersection, element you can find in both sets that were called intersection in mathematical sense. So let's continue. Okay, let's give it, sorry, intersection set, intersection of sets. So that is it. So intersection of sets. So let's continue. Let's find the intersection of the set between A and B. So the same thing, the section underscore set equals to a dot into section of the set B of the set B, okay, of the set B. So print intersection underscore set shift enter. So it give us an empty set. I'll explain why it is an empty set. Have a nice user. Let's continue. Started our work and now we want to do some stress wonderful work in this place now. Let's come back to this place, this place. Okay. Now let's the reason why we have intersection of A and B and empty set because there's no element in A that's also found in B. That's why we have an empty set. So let's see if there will be uh also an intersection of okay, let's find the intersection of A and C. Okay, let's this time A and C, A and C, yes, A and C. So now what do we do intersection underscore set one differentiated from the one we did before? A dot goes intersection C print intersection underscore set one. Let's see what is the answer. So enter. Okay, further, there was an intersect. There is an element you say that's also found in A. One of them is 1 and 9. If we go to our set A, we see there is 9 here. Set C, there's now 1 and 9. See, there the intersection between A and C. But there was no the intersection between A and B is an intercept because no element is found in both. No unique element found in both. Not that they both of them have different unique elements. So that is the element in A are not found in B. That's what I mean. So let's find the intersection of the three sets. Oh, this is how we do it. Okay. Let's come to this place. Intersection. Let's go set two. Set two. So equals to okay. A dot intersection intersection B over C. And print our new intersection. And of course set two. So this will be on the print shoot. Also an empty set because there's no set that is found in the theory element. There's no unique element. I mean, there's no element found in the theory set. I mean to say, I mean, there's no unique element found in theory set. So that's why I also print an empty set. So we'll continue from here next time. Let's do it bit by bit. Our next class will be the difference of a set, super subset, and the case music. Have another please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel to more of this tutorial. Thank you. Have a nice day.